Hi, and welcome to the Marketing 360 platform. We design our tools to be powerful and as user-friendly as possible for our clients. While each aspect of the platform is very important to the overall success of your business, we'll be covering the email marketing and email automation features specifically. Sending an email to your clients should be fast and easy, and with Marketing 360's email tool, it is. 90% of first-time customers don't return back to your business, and we want to help decrease that number. Using our email marketing tool can increase your sales by 30%. It allows all business owners the capability to create beautifully designed marketing emails to stay in contact with your customers. It is quick and easy to set up once you get the hang of it, so let's get started. First, we're going to navigate to the email marketing tool within Marketing 360. Log into your Marketing 360 dashboard and select Nurture. You'll be taken to your Nurture overview. You'll see Email Marketing on the top navigation bar. Hover over that and a drop-down menu will appear with the marketing options. Clicking on Overview gives you a quick look at your email marketing account as well as journeys. We'll revisit this view later, but first, let's set up a brand new email marketing campaign. While on the drop-down menu, you'll see email campaigns. Campaigns are great for one-time sends and things such as sales updates or business announcements. Here, you'll be able to see any of your current campaigns as well as drafts you've created. Click the green Create a New Campaign button, and you'll be taken to a new page to begin filling out your campaign information. Name your campaign. Create a subject line for your subscribers to see, and fill out the information from the sender. As a note, a subject line is what the client sees, and the pre-header text is secondary header lines that sometimes inboxes will show after the original subject line. Entering in your reply email address is important, as it is client-facing. After you enter in the name of the sender, you'll be able to set a sending email address. These orange bars to the right mean that the domain is in the works of being verified. We recommend waiting to send emails until this step has been completed, as having a verified domain significantly increases the likelihood of your emails landing in inboxes as opposed to landing in spam folders. Once you've finished filling out those prompts, click the next button to choose one of your ready-to-go templates or to begin building another one. We have many different email templates to choose from if you need help with a starting point. Select a topic from the Choose a Design area related to your email topic, and when you find a template that works best for you, hover over it so it is outlined in blue, and then click on it. You'll be taken to the email editor page, where you can begin changing the content of your email. As you can see, our platform is a simple drag and drop editor, making it quick and easy to get your emails and templates designed. Change the text by clicking and typing, and use the pop-up window design controls for more customization. Click and drag your sections to rearrange the content. Add new sections to add content and images. And if a section has more editing customizations, that information will appear on the left-hand side of the preview. If you need to delete information, simply click on it and use the delete button to remove. Once you've finished designing your new email marketing campaign and ensuring all of the information is input and accurate, you can use the green preview button to see what the email will look like on a desktop computer as well as on a mobile device. Use the gray Send a Test email if you want to see it in a real case scenario. Now once you finish previewing the email, click on the green Define Recipients button. Here, you'll select a list you've already created of contacts you'd like to receive this email, or import a brand new list of email addresses. Once you've selected the list of recipients, select the next button to finalize the delivery information. You'll want to be sure your email is ready to send at this point. Any last-minute changes should be modified before you schedule your delivery. Schedule your delivery and choose to send it now or later. And that is how you create a brand new campaign. Now when you revisit your email campaign dashboard, you'll be able to see the one that you've just created. To delete a campaign, use the 3 vertical dots to open up the campaign settings. Here, you can select the Delete button to completely delete the campaign. Also in this view, you'll be able to duplicate the campaign, preview it, as well as run a design and spam test. Duplicating the campaign is a very helpful tool if you are looking to use this same template for another topic. Once a campaign has been deleted, you will not be able to bring it back, so please make sure you are wanting to delete it before pressing this button. Now that we've covered campaigns, let's talk about automated journeys. This is very helpful for setting up predefined automated emails for contacts within your CRM, and is a great way to keep customers engaged and involved in your brand. Instead of having customers drop off after a purchase or transaction, use the automated journey to continue sending them emails about your business and keep them interested. For example, a fitness trainer can set up a journey to send clients daily emails to guide them through a training program. A small boutique store might set up a journey to keep their clients up to date on deals or sales each month, or maybe events that they're hosting. Let's get started setting up a journey. From the email marketing dropdown, select Automation. Similarly to the campaign area, if you have any campaigns already, you'll see them in a list view. Because our account doesn't, we're going to create a new one. Upon the initial creation, you can choose to get started on building your own journey, or use our Find Journey Ideas option for inspiration. There, you'll be prompted to answer a few questions, to which we'll suggest the best journey for your goal. For testing purposes, we'll be building our own journey. Now, when you are building out your journey, you'll first be asked to give it a name. Then, you'll want to select the trigger for this journey. Selecting a trigger tells our system when we should start sending the emails. You can choose between triggering the journey when someone joins an email list, when they enter a particular segment, when the subscriber exits a segment, on a particular date, or on an anniversary date based off of the subscriber's data. After you've picked your trigger, select the email list this journey will apply to. Then begin building your journey. Much like the email campaign creator, you'll see an area of the page that you can click on to build out the journey. Use the editor to add steps to your journey. There are 3 steps or building blocks to choose from when creating. You can add steps such as a time delay, another email, or a condition. Each of these steps are unique, so we will go through what each of them means. A delay step can be used when you want to trigger a follow-up email after a certain amount of time. An example with this building block would be instructing the system to send another email to a recipient after 3 days of your last email. The email step allows you to define the next email that you would like to be sent within your journey. You can select from the list of templates you already have, or create a new email. Be sure to fill out all of the necessary information on the left-hand side in order to progress. The steps include adding email content for this part of the journey. Be sure that you're selecting one of your My templates, which are editable in this view. Modify your template for this particular journey and be sure to save it. Condition is what someone should use to send a follow-up email if the first one is not opened. If a user does not open your previous email, you can choose to resend it or send them along a different journey path. If a user does open your previous email, you can progress them along in your journey onto the next step. All of these options are available during the creation of your automated journey. If there are any incomplete steps, you'll be notified of them through a message at the top of your page, ensuring that you've covered all of your bases and the journey is ready to send out. Once you've finished, select the Turn On Journey button to save. Click the back button and go back to your automated journeys list, where you can see your list of automated journeys. Hovering over the journey name will prompt some actions on the right-hand side of the information. With these icons, you can choose to either copy a journey to another emailing list, or you can choose to delete this existing journey. Next, we'll be covering email lists. Again, from the email marketing drop-down menu, select the email lists option. You'll be taken to the dashboard for configuring new lists or editing your current lists. Our system makes it very easy to create a list in both this view and within the CRM and associate it with an email campaign. You can pull a CRM list you've already made by clicking on the Go to CRM List button. However, we will be covering how to create a brand new list within the email marketing area. Click on the green Create a New List button to begin building. You'll be prompted to give your list a name, as well as setting a list type. You'll want to read the description beneath list type to make sure you pick the right option for your needs. You'll be taken to a page where you will begin building your subscribers. Select the green Add New Subscribers list to begin typing in the emails of those you'd like to add. Another way to upload contacts is to drag and drop your CSV file into the bottom field, which is what I'm doing here. Now you'll be able to see the entire list of contacts you've added on the list. In this view, you'll be able to associate fields from your uploaded CSV to fields matching your CRM. Click on a contact to edit the specific user's information. On the right-hand side of the list, click on Journeys to see the automations that this list is either associated with or get started creating one. Also on the right-hand side of the list information, you'll see the ability to add custom fields to your contacts. This allows the list to store additional information about subscribers. It's a great way for collecting information and helping you send targeted lists. Use the boxes next to the contact information to select and bulk edit contacts. Beneath More Actions, you'll see more options to remove subscribers from this list, modify your unsubscribe settings, customize your subscription list, and much more. You'll want to note that each list will have its own settings applied to it. Next, we'll cover the template option from the email marketing drop-down menu. Here in the template view, you will create custom templates to easily populate for your campaigns. You can create your templates within campaigns and automation as well. However, you'll want to note that if you were to create a template in a campaign or automation and later delete that email, you will delete the template along with it. We recommend creating your templates here within the Templates view before creating your campaigns or journeys, just to ensure an extra layer of security and avoid any instances of mistakenly deleting any templates. You can select one of your already made templates to modify it, or you can use the green Create a New Template button to build a brand new template. When creating, you can choose to start from scratch, choose a design from our library, or choose one of your previously sent emails. You even have the option to upload an HTML file with custom code. This is similar to the campaign builder, where you can select what sections and content you'd like to add into your template. Use the builder to add sections and different content fields. Creating a template is very helpful because it makes the campaign process much quicker when you can select a pre-made template. So feel free to play around with different designs. Use the green Preview button to preview your template, and then click the Finish and Save Template button to save it. Now you can revisit our steps for creating a campaign if you want to use this template for future email campaigns. If you're needing assistance crafting custom templates, please feel free to reach out to us and our team for more information. The last area we'll cover in this video is Insights. Select it from the email marketing dropdown to view your performance dashboards. Here, you'll be able to see all of the information on campaigns, automations, as well as content performance. See the data on how many emails have been opened, clicked on, delivered, or unsubscribed from. This is very valuable information as it gives a very detailed look into what type of content and marketing your subscribers and visitors are interested in. You can even drill into reports for specific campaigns or automations. View your subscriber activity as well to see how they are engaging with your content and what platforms they're using. This will help you optimize your design and increase your engagement all across the board. And that's our email marketing tool. We hope this video helps you understand our tools and help you utilize them to drive traffic and success to your business. For more information on how best to utilize your Marketing 360 products, feel free to check out support.marketing360.com or email us at support@marketing360.com.